What's up YouTube, here is Wendy from flightkickscz. This is my website. Okay, today I got one pair Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 semi-frozen yellow and new colorway of Yeezy V2 and will release this week. Okay, now let me show you guys the special color shoes. Looks very shiny color. Okay, show you guys the shoes shape. This one gold version, very good quality, and you can check the shape, so sexy shape, and the shoes back. Yes, also check the side part. Spray 350 here, and this side part you can check also. Knitting material, really very soft, and check the middle stitching, very regular stitching, and the suture here. Okay, check the shoelaces. And the shoes back you can check. Pearl tab here. Very clear. And the check the stitching. Okay, now let me turn to the shoes button. You can check the button, brown color button, very special, and the real boost here you can check, so soft boost. Also here 11 pattern here. Yes, Adidas logo, and the real boost goes through the button, you can check. Yes. Okay, show you guys the shoes insole. Check the shoes pad, yellow color, and Adidas with Yeezy here. Very soft. Okay, you can check the insole stitching. Very good stitching inside. Yes, and the shoes back here, 3 strips. Reflect material. Okay, show you guys the size label. You can check the size label, clear. Okay, now let me show you guys this one. You can check the quality, really very good quality, and a very special color. Also very soft material. Real boost, if you wear it will very comfortable. Okay, now let me show you guys the shoes box. Yeezy Boost box. Check the box size label here. And the box insole. Okay, and this shoes new style, very hot. If you guys like it, you can go to my website flightkickscz, and we have Christmas sale now. You can get $20 coupon code on my website. Also pay Western Union, enjoy free shipping. Contact me if you like it. Okay, thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Bye.